Meaning of distractor.
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 Distractor. A distractor refers to any stimulus or factor that interferes with an individual's ability to pay attention to a specific task or target. In research studies, distractors are used to measure a person's cognitive abilities and their ability to selectively attend to relevant information while ignoring irrelevant distractions. The presence of distractors can increase the difficulty level of a task, leading to errors and slower reaction times. Understanding how distractors influence attention and performance is essential in various fields, including education, psychology, and neuroscience.